Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to track your crypto wallet. First, understand that consistent tracking is crucial for managing your digital assets effectively. We'll explore various methods, from simple manual approaches to advanced automated tools. This guide will help you maintain precise records, which is vital for understanding your portfolio's performance and fulfilling any tax obligations. Let's dive into the specifics of keeping your crypto finances organized. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, manual tracking using a spreadsheet is a solid option. You'll want to meticulously record every transaction, including the date, asset, amount, and any associated fees. It's also wise to note the transaction ID for future reference. Consistency is key here. Regularly updating your spreadsheet ensures your records accurately reflect your current crypto holdings and their approximate market value. If manual tracking feels too time-consuming, automated tools offer a streamlined solution. These platforms allow you to connect your various crypto wallets and exchange accounts, automatically importing your transaction history. They provide real-time portfolio overviews, profit and loss calculations, and often integrate with tax reporting services. This can save you significant time and reduce the chance of errors, making your crypto management much more efficient. To ensure accuracy, always reconcile your tracked data with your actual wallet balances periodically. Prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication for any tracking platforms you use. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful crypto guides.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.